Have you ever stared at your phone, wondering if you could just, poof, make your Raiz account disappear? Maybe your financial goals have shifted, or perhaps you're simplifying your investment portfolio. Whatever the reason, the question of deleting your Raiz account is a common one. Let's dive into it. Raiz, for those unfamiliar, is a popular micro-investing platform that allows you to invest small amounts of money, often through rounding up your everyday purchases. It's a fantastic way for beginners to dip their toes into the world of investing without needing a large initial sum. But life changes, and sometimes the tools we once found useful no longer fit our needs. So, can you actually delete your Raiz account? The short answer is yes, but it's not quite as simple as tapping a delete button within the app. Raiz doesn't currently offer a direct in-app account deletion feature. This is a crucial point to understand up front. You won't find a self-service option for permanently closing your account within the Raiz mobile application. However, this doesn't mean your account is stuck in digital limbo forever. Raiz provides a clear pathway for account closure, it just requires a slightly different approach. The primary method for deleting your Raiz account is by contacting their customer support team directly. You can reach out to Raiz support through several channels. One of the most common and efficient ways is via email. You'll typically find their support email address on the Raiz website or within the Contact Us section of their app. When you send your email, be sure to clearly state that you wish to permanently close and delete your Raiz account. Include your full name, your Raiz account number, if you have it readily available, and any other identifying information that might help them locate your account quickly. Alternatively, Raiz may offer a contact form on their website. If this option is available, it can be another straightforward way to submit your account closure request. Keep an eye out for a support or help section on their site. Once you've contacted Raiz support, they will guide you through the necessary steps to close your account. This process usually involves verifying your identity for security purposes. They might ask you some questions to confirm you are the account holder. Before you initiate the account deletion process, there are a couple of important things you'll need to take care of. Firstly, ensure that your account balance is zero. Raiz won't be able to close your account if there are still funds invested. You'll need to withdraw all your money first. The withdrawal process typically takes a few business days to complete, so factor this time frame into your plans. Secondly, consider any tax implications associated with your Raiz investments. When you withdraw your funds, it might trigger a taxable event depending on your local regulations and the nature of your investments. It's always a good idea to consult with a financial advisor or tax professional if you have any concerns about the tax implications of closing your investment account. After you've withdrawn your funds and contacted Raiz support, be patient. Account closure processes can take some time to be fully completed. Follow up with the support team if you haven't heard back within a reasonable time frame. They should be able to provide you with an estimated timeline for the closure and confirmation once it's finalized. Deleting your Raiz account is definitely possible, even though it requires contacting their support team rather than a simple in-app click. By ensuring your balance is zero and reaching out through the appropriate channels, you can successfully close your account when the time is right for you. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.